Welcome back to POL Cruise number 5. We're here in Corona, California on a lovely Sunday. Got hundreds of cars meeting up, cruising through the winding hills of Corona past Lake Matthews. And we've ended up here at Evans Brewing Company. They're passing out free beers. They got a taco truck. Let's go look at some cars, make some new friends, talk to some people, and see if they're having as much fun as I am. Hey, get some shots of the blackout brakes before we go talk to people. Get some shots of our product, dude. Get some product shots. Well, the whole point of ending up at a brewery is that they have beers. And this is where it's all made right here. Evans Brewing Company. I like how the Tri-5 guys just park wherever they want, you know? No parking spaces necessary. They just take the middle of the lane. Currie's kicking ass. They're giving out free beer tickets, and they got the DJ booth going, and this is their Camaro. Killing it. What are you driving? Chevy. Chevy. Mind if we do an interview with you about this car right here?
Absolutely not. My name's Joe Sanders from Rancho Cucamonga, California. This is the first car I ever had. I had it since I was 14 years old. Just brought it out to this cruise, just got this motor redone, and I'm breaking it in for this car show.
No way.
Absolutely, man. It's a lot more than you know. Great story is that when my dad changed this over when I was 14 years old, I was going to get my driver's license at 15. He left to China and said, go ahead and try to figure out the process in driving this vehicle, but don't blow it up. Well, I blew it up when he was gone to China. I took the motor out, rebuilt it, got it back together, sent it to his friend to get it all tuned up for me. When he came back, it was all already together. So that's the type of history I have with this thing. Met my wife with this car.
Oh, yeah?
And a couple of girlfriends in between. I mean, it's one of those really part of the family. It was great to stretch it out going around Lake Matthews. I love that. I mean, whoever's in charge of that, I think that's a great thing for the venue because it has a destination, just not a cruise within the city.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Great interview, great sound bites. How the car since he was 14 years old. Come on. They're raffling off brand new Eddie Motorsports hood hinges. Come on, let's go find out.
All right, so Johnny from Johnny's Auto Body, you just won a free set of Eddie Motorsports Billet American made hood hinges here at the POL Corona Cruise. What are you going to do with them?
I'm going to have to build a truck around them.
That's right, that's what we like here, build another vehicle. Thank you for participating. We appreciate it. You have a good day, Johnny.
Okay. Eddie Motorsports.
Thank you.
I think I just lost my job. That was pretty good. We got Malabeast over here. We got War Machine over here. They're all the cruises. You know these dudes. Cheers, bros. Thanks for showing up. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, I'm here with Jim Chadick, owner of POL. This is his Nova. He's going to tell us all about it.
Picked it up in 1998, $1,500. It was just what was available at the time at a good price, and this was the intention from day one. Yeah, I let my son drive the car and he totaled it.
Well, 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 look what we have here. It's the son who totaled the car.
Yeah, just taking it out for a daily drive like I was every morning and got unlucky. Big rig decided to pull out. Just pancaked right into the back of him. There's not one single thing I don't like about it. V8, manual, rear wheel drive. The windows roll down, you know? It doesn't get any better than that. Any better.
'52 Chevy, and my name's Nikki. Well, we bought this truck from a show, the Boys Republic, about 2 years ago. That's an LS3, and it has a crazy exhaust system. Almost looks like a spider because it goes from 8 into 1. So it's a very unique exhaust, but that's how they had to do it to make it fit. This bed was, this wood is from a farm that was a barn that was torn down. It was a 50-year-old barn. They went down to like Colorado and they got the wood specifically for this bed. The frame-up restoration is everything's brand new, but they left the body intact. As you can see, the dents and everything on it.
All right, that's it. That's all. Another POL Cruise is in the books. This one ruled. The next one will too. Hope to see you there. Jake, you're driving. Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.